right, everyone, it's time for another week here at GSU. I'm your new host, Lauren White, and today is Monday, October 17th. Cool your jets for the fall with meditation sessions every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Everyone is welcome, so contact Dave O'Donnell for full times and details. If you had a chance to check our special GSU Spotlight last Friday, then you'll know that tomorrow marks the beginning of renovation on the groundbreaking new E and F wing. A celebration in honor of this long-awaited construction tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. in the front of the F building atrium. Finally, remember students to come out to the Cancer Awareness Silent Auction on October 19th and 20th. The proceeds from the special benefit will help support those battling cancer. The auction takes place from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. in the Hall of Governors. Contact Student Life for more details. All right, have a great start to the week, everyone. I'm Lauren White, and you've just been twagged.